everyone, before the video starts, I just want to announce that in yesterday's episode, if you have not watched it, I urge you all to please check it out. I talked about the new giveaway that I am doing. It's my first ever giveaway. I'm giving away 1 tub of Rogue Energy, and I explained how you can be a part of the giveaway. Well, I just wanted to announce for the rest of the week, when I make my episodes of Technoids, I am extending the giveaway into the next few episodes that will be coming out during this week. So if you want to be a part of the giveaway and win 1 free tub of Rogue Energy, stay till the end of the video to see how you can be a part of the giveaway. Now we got that out of the way, let's see what's coming up on today's episode. Alrighty, boys and girls, coming up on today's episode of Technoid, we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. We got major news about it, and this is going to shake up Samsung's wearable lineup, and I'm going to here to tell you why this is a very big deal and why people now may want to start looking at Samsung as the next competitor to the Apple Watch. We've known it for a while, but now there is a new sheriff in town, or at least it's been lurking in the background. And lastly, we have some Apple news to talk about in regards to the Macbook and AirPods. So all that on today's episode, so let's not waste any time. Let's get it going. So story number 1, the main story, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Now, we've known for a while that Samsung was going to release a new watch, and with the partnership with Google and Wear OS and Tizen, we've already known that we were going to see this partnership bloom. We already knew that this was in the works. Well, we did get our reveal of the new software. We didn't actually see any full official leaked images, but we did see some working renders that have come. And according to many different outlets, which you can check out yourself, but I will leave links in the description, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 has been announced at MWC 2021, and it is going to be debuting the brand new One UI watch. Now, as you know, Samsung has made some real big progress with their One UI skin. A lot of people like it. It's a clean look. It gives your Android some life, but most of all, it does a great job at best. So it only seemed natural that the watches would get this experience as well. Well, it just so happened that with their partnership with Google, being able to bring Wear OS on to their watch, we will now see a brand new fully Android Watch OS experience. Now, I think I just messed up the name with Wear OS. I am so sorry. I am so sorry, guys. But anyway, let's talk about the watch. So, we don't know much about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, but we do know that it will have an updated design, as it is going to quote-unquote ditch the bezel-less display in favor of a digital bezel. We are going to be seeing a design pretty much similar to the Active 2, but there are some new areas we have seen in promotional images, which you're seeing on your screen. They are going to come in a variety of colors and different options, but the biggest standing point is, of course, the big partnership with Google. Now, as we know, Unpacked is around the corner, so there's a lot of things in the work with Unpacked. But taking a look at the watch itself, the One UI watch is now the brand new software that is meant to quote-unquote replace Tizen and also give us our real big look at what we can expect from the Wear platform. Basically, this design is going to give us everything that we've wanted. So we're talking Google Assistant, we're talking Google Messages with RCS, we're talking Google Maps, more in-depth integration with Spotify, we're talking more health apps, we're talking a lot more like Google Pay, Google Play Store, an actual Play Store for a watch. So we're getting a lot of new platform, we're getting a lot of things coming, but the main thing that we did see is it is going to be, of course, Samsung's approach to downloading apps. With the One UI watch, they will have compatible apps that will automatically be added to the Galaxy Watch, and users can download them on their smartphones. Smaller software tweaks like a clock experience and other things are expected, but basically everything you've wanted from Google's basically Watch OS, I think that's their name. I don't know, guys, I'm sorry, the watch names always confuse me. But the point is this, we are getting a brand new experience with the Galaxy Watch 4 in not just design, but software and everything. Now, I'm just gonna say this, guys. I am an Apple user. I use the Apple Watch daily. And as much as I do enjoy the Apple Watch, I am not gonna sit here and deny. When I had the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 from my Note 10 Plus, I enjoyed the hell out of it. It was a great watch. It was nice and portable, it was active, it did a great job of keeping count, but most of all, the experience was awesome. but I did have my nitpicks about it, and I thought that if Samsung were to make just a few adjustments, they would probably have literally the Apple Watch of Androids. And I think that's what we're probably gonna see. Now, I know I'm probably setting the bar too high, so I wanna clarify real quickly. This is all my opinion. This is not a fact. This is not me making a profit. This is just me being honest with you guys. I have been waiting for a while for Google to make their own Pixel Watch, and we're hearing reports about that, and we might see something be coming in that regard. However, though, there is a big thing to talk about and something we need to tell about this story. For a while, we haven't seen any Android watches make their way and break onto the scene and really challenge Apple with the Apple Watch. We've seen some great manufacturers. We've seen Fossil go at it. We've seen probably some Fitbit. We've seen many different watches. We've got the OnePlus watch, we've got Xiaomi watches, every watch you can imagine, but none of them have been able to go toe-to-toe with the Apple Watch. The only one that was knocking on the door was the Samsung Galaxy Watch, both the premium and the active line. Those watches were able to go toe-to-toe. Now they are fully ready to go head-to-head with Apple. Now, of course, the Apple Watch does have some cool hardware features and probably a little bit more advanced, but this is the first time that we've seen a Android Wear OS platform get elevated to a next level with one of the biggest Android makers, not only in America, but in Europe as well. So I have no doubt that Samsung is going to compete with Apple in the Wears department, not just in features, but with software, everything. And I am super excited. And now we get to the giveaway, because if you guys did not make it past this video, please watch. Basically, this is where I announced the giveaway. I already said at the beginning of the episode to stay tuned and watch how you can be a part of it. Well, here's how you can be a part of it. Just like my last video and the next few episodes on the main story, I want you guys to comment your thoughts down below. Let me know, what do you think of Samsung and their new Galaxy Watch 4? What do you think is gonna happen? Basically, all you gotta do is write down your thoughts. Make sure you are subscribed with notifications on. I am only going to be doing this for subscribers only, so please make sure you are a subscribed user. Trust me, I will know. But basically, the comment that gets picked out of random, I'm going to, of course, pile up all the comments, and then I will generate them in a random draw. And the best comment linked to that video will then be the winner of the giveaway, and I will ship you a tub of Rogue Energy, all paid by me. So if you want to be a part of the giveaway, let me hear your thoughts down below about the Galaxy Watch 4, and what do you think of Samsung finally being able to go toe-to-toe with Apple in regards to software and soon-to-be hardware. Let me hear your thoughts down below, and good luck to you all. Whew, man, that was long. Let's not keep you here any longer. Story number 2, let's talk about the Apple update on the MacBook and AirPods. Now, as we know, Apple has been working on AirPods and MacBooks. As we know, there have been some heavy delays. We've already known that. I don't need to express it anymore. Well, we have some good news, and I'm here to tell you that we now are expecting a mass production ramp of Apple boosting the production for the AirPods and MacBooks for the second half of 2021. According to Economic Daily News, Apple has indeed launched the new MacBook and AirPods production line, and they are ramping them up at double the capacity for a 2-to-1. Basically meaning for every 2 MacBooks, they will be able to produce one more than the other, which kind of is a little weird and convoluted, but the point is this: they're ramping production. They want to get these products out. There have been tons of delay, there have been tons of setbacks, and Apple is here. We're like, you know what, we're gonna do it. So Apple is ready to finally get these MacBooks ready. Now, we do know that they are going to be debuted in the second half of 2021, so no problems there, nothing to worry about. But real quickly, before we move on to the end of the episode, I just want to disclaim that I have already talked about the AirPods, I've talked about the MacBook, I've talked about everything about these products. So if you want to watch that, you can check out my previous episodes of the AirPods and the MacBook coverage, where I talk all about those products, and let me hear your thoughts down below as well. And that's it for today's episode of Technoid. Now, guys, again, I apologize for this long episode. I appreciate if you made it through the end, and again, if you want to be a part of the giveaway, comment your thoughts down below on the main story. Make sure you watch, because if you skim through the video, you're not going to be a part of the giveaway. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the episode. If you did, hit the like button. If you disliked the video, you can hit the dislike button. That helps circulate my videos as well. As always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next episode. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Take care, stay safe, and peace!